Do you remember being in high school, looking at past papers and just wishing someone would show you the full step-by-step working? Well, we built exactly that entirely inside WhatsApp for A-level mathematics. When a student answers a question, it's marked instantly, they see exactly where they made the mistake, and the full step-by-step working. It has over 6,000 original questions built for the new curriculum, covering every topic in both principal and subsidiary math. All of this is just 20,000 Uganda shillings per subject, and the student gets 30 days of unlimited practice. Payment happens right inside the chat, so you get the normal mobile money prompt on your phone and approve it with your PIN the same way you always do. You also get 5 free sample questions, so go ahead and try it yourself before paying anything. To get started, just send hi on WhatsApp to this number or visit africanleverage.com and tap any WhatsApp button. One more thing, Uganda's data protection law says students under 18 need the parents' consent. So we built that right in. Your child will send you a link and you approve in just 2 taps from your own phone inside WhatsApp. When it's time to pay, your child can enter your mobile money number in their chat and the prompt comes straight to your phone. So, if you have a child, a sibling, or a friend in A-level, share this with them. We are proud of what we've built and we can't wait for you to benefit from it. This is African Leverage.